Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Serrano. Today we're going to take a look at a very popular pair of earbuds right here um, from online that I saw, which were really popular, and people were buying them left and right. Matter of fact, I see over almost 6,000 orders here. Now, these are some pretty decent earbuds for the price, under $20, pretty much like 11 bucks right here. With the discount codes, you're gonna get them for like 8. And a ton of people have been rating these 5 stars. Let's see why. So they do offer a 350 milliamp hour charging case. They're called the XG-8s. Now they do support SBC and AAC decoding technology for really enhanced sound. You're also going to be getting Bluetooth 5.0, which is really good. They're going to also be giving you noise reduction with the passive noise cancellation IPX6. You're also getting HD quality intelligent noise reduction, 60 panoramic sound quality, 3 to 4 hours on a single charge, 30 minutes to charge them, and 24-hour battery with the case included with these. So this is, they're really comfortable to wear, and they look really good in the hand, and like basically in these diagrams they look really good. I was compelled to purchase them just because of how great the ratings are on these. Let's take a look at these in some more detail. So I'm really trying to check these out. I was actually pretty excited to take a look at these based on some of the specifications that they offered on their website and some of the feedback that I was seeing from the customer ratings. So I'm interested to see what this is all about and what's inside, how these perform, how good the mics are. They're really saying that these are supposed to be like a really good budget option. You could give these out as a gift and stuff them in like Christmas stocking or something. Stock up on like 20 of these and just give them out for the holiday season. Now these do offer micro USB, so that's the only thing to note. Now inside of here you're getting the XG-8 Bluetooth user manual, so everything that you need to know is inside of that. Also a really small, super small charging case. This is really tiny. It's actually cool because it's transparent. Let's go ahead, pop. This is kind of cool because you can see in it, you can see the earbud is right here. So let me just show you what that looks like. So the drum on here is actually quite big. You also do get a physical button right here. Has a nice give to it. Feels really good when you click it. So let's pop that one in there. And this one doesn't say, neither of them say left or right, but you can see right here they fit really good in there. I'm not sure if this is fully charged or not, but those magnets are extremely strong and they're not coming out. This case is actually super small. I really like the size of this. What I'm gonna do is actually charge the case because I don't see anything happening right now. So let's go ahead and charge that. It says 88 on here and now it says nothing. Okay, yeah, it was at 0. So look, it's at 0. 350 milliamp hour charging case, really small, really compact. This is like really like cool actually to look at. It's so small. This is probably one of the smallest ones I've seen compared to, like, this is the AirPods Pro case right here compared to it, and then you know, it's smaller. It's like, okay, so now we got some action here. Those lit up. And then if you compare it to like the Samsung Galaxy Plus, you see that's the size. So not too bulky at all. I'm gonna go ahead and actually pair this to my phone right here, and let's just see what that looks like when we do it for the very first time. Okay, so bong, and then I'm gonna actually pull these both out at the exact same time. Christmas lights. So it's looking for the thing here. So let me see. Here it is. XG-5.0. Hit that option right there, and then click this option. And now it says connected it's at 90%. Let me pop these in my ear. Wow, I could barely hear myself. Really good noise reduction on these. They give these a decent score on the ratings. A lot of the customers who bought these cancel out literally 70% or 80%, maybe even more of the noise that I'm hearing around me. Let me play this song. Holy sh! Pause and play. Really, really good bass. Let me see how far these are up. Wow. I could barely hear myself talking right now. No cap. Now, the really good part about these is that you'll never have false touches because these are actual buttons, right? So you'll never have that issue. Now listen to how loud these are, and it's only halfway up. That's actually crazy. Three times adjust the volume. 1, 2, 3. Wow, they didn't even advertise volume controls. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That's fire. Let me pause it. I can't hear myself. Wow. These guys are probably some of the best earbuds you'll have for the price. Literally, I'm not capping right now. These sound phenomenal. You're gonna be really shocked for the price of these. The case is actually really small and compact. It's very small, easy to travel with, and you have volume controls, you have your song controls, you have your USB for charging. I'm gonna attach the mics to this camera, and we're gonna test out the mic quality right now. But alright guys, so this is the microphones coming out of the XG-5.08 from the microphones from these. Let me know how they sound. I'm gonna actually turn up the volume on the outside volume right here. So let me know if you can hear me over this traffic city noise, but I definitely think that these do a really good job with volume. When you're listening to music, you're getting a ton of bass with these. I'm gonna turn this down a little bit. And you're getting volume controls, song controls. You can hang up, answer. You could pretty much do everything that you would be able to do on these with your $250 up, but these are going to be under $20, guys. Okay guys, so I'm still using the microphones, but I'm just going to give you my overall thoughts on these. Definitely going to leave a link down below for you where you can buy these. Really small compact case. This literally fits directly in your palm really easily. You got your spare earphone tips, although these tips that they put on these fit absolutely perfectly. The sound on these is really, really good as far as the overall volume that I'm getting, and also the bass is actually superb. So when it comes to rating these overall, they're like a 9 out of 10 in almost every department. Really good earbuds. So I'm gonna leave a link down below where you can purchase these. The review's over. Buy these, they're really good. But if you found this video helpful in any way possible, definitely show your support and appreciation by hitting the bell icon down below. Leave a like and show your support as well. But I'll see you guys later. But in the meantime, have a great morning, afternoon, evening, and depending where you are, later crew. Peace.